Guys, the deal is great and we close in plus. Deal is closed in plus. So dear traders, it's simple and elementary. Hello trader, today we will trade on cryptocurrency. Many say that it is very risky and impractical, but I will show you in practice that is very easy, guys. So very simple, and by the way, I will tell you a private strategy. So watch the video till the end as usual and learn more about trading, so without loss. Enjoy watching. So here we already on pocket option. I have placed several cryptocurrencies at the top of the screen. So now I'm showing you these such as Stone Coin, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, so everyone's favorite Solana, and Ethereum, also Litecoin, Polygon. So I think all cryptocurrencies data know. So the balance we have is a little more than 9,500 bucks. So we'll set up the amount of trades and leave 250 bucks for now. So if anything, I will increase it. So the trade time, as always, we have 30 seconds, and the time frame on the chart is also 30 seconds. Usually it's equal to 1, so the time frame is a minute, which means trades are a minute. The time frame is 30 seconds. So trades are 30 seconds as usual. Here I show the timing of our indicator fractal, choice bands, and also the second indicator, the market. So we have today is quite simple and elementary bunch of indicators. It's absolutely not difficult, absolutely suitable for all beginners. Just watch the video till the end. And you will understand the essence of how to analyze the indicators to order to open transaction in one or another direction. And also don't forget, all transaction data is broadcast to my Telegram channel. So right now, the link is in the description. So Telegram channel is private, but free for the first day after the release, after this video. And we start trading. So the first currency pair is quite simple. Here is the resistance level. Most likely we will overcome it. We see from the first fractal indicator we have a clearly upward trend. Then we look at the second indicator, the marker. Here we also have a tendency of a general upward trend. We see everything is quite simple. So there is simply nothing complicated here until the end of the transaction, a second. And excellent, guys, the deal is great and we close in plus. So well, basically I'm saying everything easy. So we immediately switch for the second currency pair, cryptocurrency. We usually just trade cryptocurrency, so who didn't know, but at your request we switch to the cryptocurrency pair. We'll shoot a video here. We'll see there are reversals here. I showed several reversals. We immediately open a trade for the downside. Since one candle ago we had a reversal too, and we look at the line of the fractal. So we are staying in a small range. We also see from the second indicator that we have reached the upper limit of 70. So this is a certain level of resistance. So the transaction closes at 0. So we were a little short of that, but unfortunately 0, it's not a minus, guys. Be optimistic. And we are moving to the third cryptocurrency. So here the situation is quite interesting because I'm opening the deal for an increase. So now I'll explain why. So it's very interesting situation. So many people would open for a decrease. So we look at the second indicator. We see the previous drawdown and the current one. We sank very, very strong. This means that there should be a reversal soon. So we took at the previous candles, the reversal was already. So this is visible in the shadows. And this is most likely the situation will be a slight drawdown and we have put everything forward. So also by fractal we have nothing to watch yet since it's going smooth. And until the end of a deal is just 1 second and it's great. The deal is closed in plus. So dear traders, it's simple and elementary. Any dumb head will understand it. So we're opening several cryptocurrencies for now. So let me remind you that you always need to analyze the full picture. So technical analysis is also desirable and indicators. And let me remind you that the Telegram channel has all these signals. So as I said at the beginning of the video. So I open trades. There is a person sitting next to me or someone else. So he published everything in my TG. So if all trading session we warn, so you won't miss it. We write in a few hours. There will be a trading session at 6 p.m. for example, and you will be ready to trade with us. So the link is in the description as usual. So everything is absolutely free, no money. I don't need your money, guys. So please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. It will be very pleased to me. So, by the way, I want to share with you the joy. My student have bought a bunch of equipment of Apple, and he bought it all simply by copying my transactions and signals from the Telegram channel, and it's absolutely free, guys. You know it. And so quickly go to the Telegram channel. Access will be closed soon. We immediately go to our tone coin. Anyone who knows Telegram knows what this cryptocurrency is connected to. So, and here we have a general chart for a decline. Then we reached the top points. I drew support resistance levels, and now there is also a slight consolidation in a certain range. At the moment, we're looking at the second indicator. We also see consolidation in the second indicator. So if you look closely, the constant broken line changed its direction. So we also look at the shadows. The shadows are formed from above, which means the drawdown will be lower. So that's how it happens. The total profit is $455. By the way, we have crossed the $10,000 mark. So it's great situation I'm showing you, and we're switching to Bitcoin. Probably the most popular cryptocurrency in the whole world. So I think many of you even investing in it. So as I am. Here we opened a deal. Of course, we are looking for a decline. We're figuring out why. We have an area of support, and we are in time for this area of support at the moment. We are moving on downwards. So we see this is a general chart, the general trend of the chart. I just drew a fractal. We also have a downward trend. We look at the second indicator. We also see a downward trend here. We are in consolidation. We headed lower. We see how the situation has been corrected according to the demarker of the second indicator. So if anything, on the right part of the screen is always showing the opening of our transaction. You never know who the brightest of the imaging. So on the right side is directly visible. So everything is clear and beautiful, for which, by the way, I love the pocket option. So we always trade with my team here because it's awesome. So, and we're switching to Dogecoin. Many people know it too. Let's say the meme coin. It glorified the cryptocurrency at one time. So here we opened the deal to increase. So the global upward trend, also the latest trend, we have upward. There are pleasant rising candles. We had a certain level of resistance here. We successfully lifted it and moving straight up. So by the second indicator, the marker, most likely we will overcome our level resistance value of 70 before closing the deal at 5 seconds. And I think 99% that this deal will close in the plus, and great. I'm right. So this deal closes in plus and $470.05 go to our wallet. So, and at the moment we have a balance of $10,500. So I'll also tell you what is in the Telegram channel. Of course, in addition to the signals, you thought it's everything. No, of course, it's not everything. So in the Telegram channel, I have my contact for personal messages, communication with me. So any questions, so about pocket option, any raised problems, so there we have our own administrators on this side, our own support that will help. So go ahead, subscribe. And also don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like, watch the rest of the videos. So there are also a lot of strategies, a huge number of strategies. So while we opened the deal on Selenia, I drew the default, the standard range of our chart. So here we have a clearly ascending trend. According to the demarker, is also an upward trend. We see that we have reached, as I now note in previous times. Also, the bottom value is 30, and our chart turned it in the opposite direction. So the downward trend turned it into an upward trend. So if in simple words, down to the top, the deal was closed in plus, so it was the penultimate currency pair, and Ethereum, many know it too. It also probably the second or the third most popular cryptocurrency at the moment after Bitcoin. To one degree or another, they are even interconnected. So here we have open trades on decline. We see a downward trend by fractal, and the demarker also has a general downward trend and the maximum approach to the 30 mark. So at the lower boundaries, the volume of candles is quite pleasant. The shadows are mainly on top, which indicates that the chart will continue to sag. So let's watch the chart, guys. Great situation. Awesome. So the deal is also closing in plus, guys. So what we have for today? Today we had 8 different cryptocurrencies on which we traded. So 7 were closed in plus and 1 at 0. So those who tell you that deals always close at 100% are often lying. It is a bullshit, guys. So 100% often doesn't happen in most cases. Never. So, but I open fairly verified transactions. So you see, I'm not in a hurry. On the balance sheet by the end of the day, we have $10,900. So the settings I showed at the beginning of the video, you can rewind. So the strategy is simple. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. So like, watch the video tab, comment, so anything in the YouTube. Telegram channel is also, the link is in the description as usual. So there is a personal connection with me, so you can write to me something, any question, any suggestion. Let's go. So there were a bot, signals, various tricks. So let's go. Thank you all for watching, guys, and see you soon. Bye bye.